Hi, welcome to NCRT CBSE Class 9 Economics Chapter 1, The Story of Village of Palampur. And in this video, we will see every point in the remaining part of the first section of the chapter overview. Question 1. Dash is a city. The options are Palampur, Raiganj, Shahpur, none of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is none of the above. So, neither Palampur nor Raiganj nor Shahpur is a city. Question 2. Palampur has about dash number of families. The options are 250, 4500, 450, very many. Your time to choose. And the answer is 450. So, Palampur has about 450 number of families. Next question. The 450 families in Palampur belong to different dash. The options are tribes, castes, religions, classes. Your time to choose. And the answer is castes. So, the 450 families in Palampur belong to different castes. Next question. Of the 450 families in Palampur, dash are upper caste. The options are 8, 20, 60, 80. Your time to choose. And the answer is 80. So, of the 450 families in Palampur, 80 are upper caste. Next question. The 80 upper caste families own the dash of the land in Palampur. The options are majority, entire part, minority, smallest part. Your time to choose. And the answer is majority. So, the 80 upper caste families own the majority of the land in Palampur. Next question. 6. Some of the houses of the 80 upper caste families in Palampur are quite dash. The options are small, beautiful, palatial, large. Your time to choose. And the answer is large. So, some of the houses of the 80 upper caste families in Palampur are quite large. Next question. The houses of the 80 upper caste families in Palampur are made of dash. The options are stones with concrete plastering, stones with cement plastering, brick with cement plastering, brick with concrete plastering. Your time to choose. And the answer is brick with cement plastering. So, the houses of the 80 upper caste families in Palampur are made of brick with cement plastering. Next question. The SCs, that is scheduled castes, Dalits, comprise dash of the population of Palampur. The options are 1 half, 1/3, 1/4, 2/3. Your time to choose. And the answer is 1/3. So, the SCs, that is scheduled caste Dalits, comprise 1/3 of the population of Palampur. Next question. Of the 450 families in Palampur, dash are scheduled caste. The options are 80, 370, 45, 150. Your time to choose. And the answer is 150. So, of the 450 families in Palampur, 150 are scheduled caste. Next question. The SCs, comprising 1/3 of the population, live in dash of the village of Palampur. The options are one corner, the middle, the center, the smallest part. Your time to choose. And the answer is one corner. So, the SCs, comprising 1/3 of the population, live in one corner of the village of Palampur. Next question 11. The houses of the Dalits of Palampur are dash than those of the upper caste. The options are little smaller, much bigger, much narrower, much smaller. Your time to choose. And the answer is much smaller. So, the houses of the Dalits of Palampur are much smaller than those of the upper caste. Next question. Dash of the houses of the SCs in Palampur are made of mud and straw. The options are none, most, some, all. Your time to choose. And the answer is some. So, some of the houses of the SCs in Palampur are made of mud and straw. Next question. Some of the houses of the Dalits in Palampur are made of dash. The options are mud and hay, mud and straw, sand and hay, sand and straw. Your time to choose. And the answer is mud and straw. So, some of the houses of the Dalits in Palampur are made of mud and straw. Next question. Dash of the houses in Palampur are powered by electricity. The options are all, none, some, most. Your time to choose. And the answer is most. So, most of the houses in Palampur are powered by electricity. Next question. All the dash in the fields of Palampur are powered by electricity. The options are tube wells, ponds, bore wells, rivulets. Your time to choose. And the answer is tube wells. So, all the tube wells in the fields of Palampur are powered by electricity. Next question 16. Various types of dash in Palampur use electricity for their power needs. The options are large business, industries, companies, small business. Your time to choose. And the answer is small business. So, various types of small business in Palampur use electricity for their power needs. Next question. The village of Palampur has dash primary schools. The options are 3, 1, 2, 5. Your time to choose. And the answer is 2. So, the village of Palampur has 2 primary schools. Next question. The village of Palampur has dash high school. The options are 3, 1, 2, 5. Your time to choose. And the answer is 1. So, the village of Palampur has 1 high school. Next question. There is a dash for the sick run by the government in Palampur. The options are secondary health center, hospital, nursing center, primary health center. Your time to choose. And the answer is primary health center. So, there is a primary health center for the sick run by the government in Palampur. Next question. Besides the primary health center, there is also a dash for the sick in Palampur. The options are private dispensary, private doctor, public doctor, nursing center. Your time to choose. And the answer is private dispensary. So, besides the primary health center, there is also a private dispensary for the sick in Palampur. Next question, last page. The village of Palampur has a fairly well developed system of dash. The options are roads and transport, electricity and irrigation, schools and health center, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, the village of Palampur has a fairly well developed system of roads and transport, electricity and irrigation, and schools and health center. Question 22. The story of Palampur is meant to take us to the different kinds of dash activities in the village. The options are consumption, selling, production, banking. Your time to choose. And the answer is production. So, the story of Palampur is meant to take us through the different kinds of production activities in the village. Question 23. In villages across India, dash is the main productive activity. The options are manufacturing, farming, transport, shopkeeping. Your time to choose. And the answer is farming. So, in villages across India, farming is the main production activity. Next question. The other productive activities include dash. The options are small manufacturing, transport, shopkeeping, all of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of the above. So, the other productive activities include small manufacturing, transport, and shopkeeping. Last question. The productive activities other than farming are called dash. The options are non-farming activities, sports activities, learning activities, none of the above. Your time to choose. And the answer is non-farming activities. So, the productive activities other than farming are called non-farming activities. Okay, in this video we learned every point in the second part of the first section, overview. In the next video we will learn every point in the section organization of production. I'll see you there.